Have you ever heard of laser keyboard or seen a smart yoga mat? In this video, we will look at some cool gadgets from Amazon you should buy. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Laser keyboard. This laser projection keyboard with English QWERTY layout, with calculated round key design, will help you to not hit the wrong key again. This keyboard is projected by laser. It has a power bank function with built-in premium-grade rechargeable lithium-ion battery cell. 2500 mAh can charge your phones and other devices through its USB port. There are a total of 4 brightness levels to enter data quickly and accurately. It is cool when you type on a flat surface. Number 2. Folding table. This portable folding camping table is the perfect addition to any outdoor adventure. It is made from high-quality materials. This table is durable and designed to withstand. It's easy to set up and fold down, making it convenient for camping picnics and other outdoor activities. It can be easily stored in a backpack or car trunk, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The table also features adjustable legs, allowing you to set it up on uneven surfaces. Number 3. Smart yoga mat. This smart yoga mat is cutting edge that blends technology and wellness seamlessly. This innovative mat features sensors that connect to a smartphone app, allowing users to track their progress. It also corrects their form and receives personalized feedback during their practice with its non-slip surface and cushion texture. This smart yoga mat provides the perfect foundation for yoga, Pilates, or any other floor-based exercise. It's easy to store and also incredibly convenient to use. Number 4. Desktop glass. This desktop whiteboard is designed to sit perfectly between a keyboard and monitor, and a slope angled for comfortable reading and writing or typing when you are using it as a keyboard stand. It comes with a smooth and durable temple glass dry erase writing surface. This whiteboard allows you to write and wipes clean with ease over and over. This always stays white and easy to read. Decluttering your desk by storing markers, magnetic erasers, and other desktop accessories in the opening drawer or placing markers on the accessory tray for quick access. Number 5. Wi-Fi clock. This smart home device offers a stylish and functional way to display information in your home. Its sleek design and customizable display and metric time can be used for a wide range of purposes, from displaying the time and date to tracking weather updates, social media notifications, and even sports scores. One of the key features of this clock is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to easily connect it to your home network and access a wide range of online services. It allows you to create custom notifications and automate tasks based on various triggers. In addition to its connectivity features, this clock also includes a number of other useful features. These include a built-in speaker for playing alarms and notifications, as well as support for voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 6. Body fat scale. This smart scale is a cutting-edge product that is designed to accurately measure weight and provide a range of additional features. This sleek and stylish scale is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows it to sync with your smartphone and track your progress over time. The scale also has a large and easy-to-read LCD display which shows weight, body fat percentage, body water percentage, muscle mass, and bone mass. One of the standout features of the digital scale is its ability to recognize and store data for up to 24 different users. This makes it ideal for families or households with multiple people who want to track their weight and other metrics. Number 7. Rechargeable Spotlight. This LED spotlight has a built-in 10,000 mAh large-capacity rechargeable battery. This is a good companion for you to go out on any trip that involves dark places. Overcharge protection can keep it safe and steady when you use it as a mobile power to charge your smart devices. 3 blue indicator lights show the battery life. 25 LED beads are evenly distributed on the side of the USB spotlight body. Super sealing and waterproof rating will bring great convenience to your outdoor travel, allowing you to work normally on high temperatures, rainy or snowy days. This flashlight is constructed of durable ABS and aluminum alloy to protect from drops and bumps while using. It's ideal for hiking, camping, sailing, or hunting. Number 8. App-controlled cooler. This is an upgraded Wi-Fi connection car refrigerator. This car fridge with app control, you can control the freezer from a distance or in a car. Intelligent temperature control function to meet the required temperature of various ingredients. When the measured DC voltage falls below the cutoff value, the compressor will turn off to prevent the vehicle from running out of power. Detachable handle design of the portable fridge makes it easier to move and portable. The door is detachable and can be installed according to your applicable direction for flexible application. The lateral displacement is greatly reduced. When your car is climbing at an inclination angle of 30 degrees, the portable cooler can still run and remain stable. You could control the temperature of the dual zone independently. You can place meat, vegetables, drinks, and anything else that needs to be cold. This is a great choice for camping, parties, outdoors, and travel. Number 9. Pocket Shot. The Pocket Shot is a closed pouch made of latex with a base and locking ring that compresses the latex ends. This design allows for a solid grip on the front end and a clear line of projection for your ammunition. Pocket Shot claims that it has a projection rate of 350 feet per second, and while we did not actually use a chronograph, the testers said that they had to seriously tone down the amount of pull force they were using, because this little thing is deceivingly powerful. The Pocket Shot can store items such as extra pouches and shots. The lid screws on securely and won't allow those items to escape. This feature is great for storing or traveling with. The Pocket Shot comes with 2 pouches, a standard model and a pro model. Changing out the pouches is fairly simple. Shooting the Pocket Shot is a simple process. Place your preferred projectile into the pouch of the Pocket Shot. Grip it with your thumb and forefinger. Pull back on the pouch with your other hand, aim, and fire. While accuracy may come naturally to some folk, proficiency with the Pocket Shot or any other weapons comes from practice. Number 10. Wireless Heating Pad. This electric portable heating pad device uses USB charging, which is more convenient. It has 3 different adjustable temperatures and 3 different massage modes. You can choose the mode according to your needs. It is designed to automatically shut down. If you fall asleep during use, this product will automatically turn off within 30 minutes when it detects that you have not made any movement, which can ensure your safety. If you want to use it again, just turn it on again. This heating pad adopts a very soft and comfortable contact surface, which can make you comfortable and can dissipate heat evenly. You can use these products in different scenarios, whether you are resting, reading, driving, or working. Number 11. 8-in-1 Docking Station. This dock is a foldable multifunctional USB-C docking station with a desk organizer and laptop stand. It's made of durable aluminum alloy, which ensures strength and stability and provides optimal heat dissipation. Non-slip silicone mats cover the slots and bottom, which will not only protect your precious things from being scratched, but also support stability. Unique dual USB-C port design will support any input format, no matter whether it's PD charging or a data interface. It can also be used as a stand or storage device for your MacBook Pro, mobile phones, iPad, and more. Number 12. Smart Litter Box. This automatic cat litter box is engineered with 10 high-precision sensors, with which the litter box detects surrounding changes in an all-round way. When the cat approaches, it pauses immediately to ensure the cat's safety. Self-test and remote alarm system offers extra protection for your cat. The self-cleaning cat litter box is connected with Wi-Fi, so you can keep your cat litter box clean at any time and from anywhere with their app. With data pushed periodically, you are able to monitor your cat's weight and activity in real time. It supports up to 6 cats. Cat litter box self-cleaning system auto-cleans after cat leaves the litter box and separates cat waste into the enclosed waste bin. No need to scoop anymore. The specially designed filter openings can effectively filter and separate various cat litters. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.